Hey, this lighting is real bad now, isn't it? This is Traveling a Ways. I'm Andy, and it is one of the last afternoons, evenings, sunsets, of fall. I was just at McLean's. I assume you probably saw both those episodes. If you're watching this one, I don't quite know who watches these, but I know people end up doing that, which is pretty wild. So anyways, I assume if you've seen this, you've seen the other two. It's just simpler that way. We just explored McLean's. That was cool. Now we're driving home. I think that means that we have 2 more episodes for this season. Should be good. These ones don't have any on foot. Oh, there are some people on foot up ahead of me though, and a dog. So I'm gonna go slow. Second time this season where a dog's run in front of the car, but that's okay, because going slow. Yeah. Anyways, it was really fun to explore McLean's. So different than last time we explored it together, and it was during the huge blizzard, you know? Like, so different. But the noise and the quiet and the difference between those two things still feels the same. Even though it's definitely not as loud, the waves still feel kind of loud, and then when you find a spot that's secluded, it certainly feels quiet. So, I don't know if this looks very good. If these videos don't, I will try not to record many at evening, but gas is really expensive right now, and so if I'm gonna film something, well, I need to make the miles count. So here we are. I would have come earlier, but I wanted to see the sunset. Sunset means I'm leaving-ish late. The sun just set 3 minutes ago. The sky was looking pretty nice, but since it's cloudy, I don't think it's gonna get any better than it was, so. Anyways. Yeah, so like, what have you guys been up to, you know? Anything fun? Any fun food or anything? I'll tell ya, I was leading a meeting for my enterprise. I'm like team lead on my senior design team. And someone walked in and he's like, they're giving out free food in the library. And I bolted so quick to get the free food. And it was really good. It wasn't like the best Indian I've ever had. Actually, it was really not that good, but it was free, which made it, oh dear. Just flashed my brakes at the guy behind me. Hopefully he understands what I'm saying. This is prime deer time. I've never hit a deer before. This might happen in this episode though. Fingers crossed that it does not. Anyways, yeah, it wasn't like the best Indian food that I've ever had, but it was free food, and it had like cream and buttered chicken and vegetables and cauliflower with spices and turmeric, and I was so excited. Oh my gosh. Like, it was so good. Compared to the food that I've been getting at home, which is what I have time to make and often just not that good, it was so good. Yeah, I've been leading a team for Enterprise. I've led a team before. This isn't anything too new for me. I think I'm getting pretty good at the whole thing. I don't mind it. You know? Like, sometimes I wish it wasn't my job, but I think I'm fairly good at it. Right now, things are going all right, and so that's good. Last semester, things were a lot rougher, and it was a lot more stressful. Speaking of stressful, man, I don't know what's gonna happen with finding a job. By the time this comes out, I will know what will have happened with this last interview that I just did. with a local sound and vibrations company. But it's just like, man, I just want things to work out. I know I'm going to be in the area, but I don't know what I'll be doing. Like, will I be working at the university? Will I be working at some small engineering firm? Can I just get an internship at one of those engineering firms, offer them hourly work? Will I be doing masters? I don't know. It stresses me out a little, actually. But, you know, one day at a time. One day at a time. Oh, the sky's turning really pretty colors. Oh, heck. We should have stayed. It's all right. I have to get home and clean. My mom's coming tomorrow. Oh, the sky's all pink. Oh, man. I leave a lot of sunrises and sunsets at the wrong time just because I'm like, yeah, I've seen it. I'm ready to go. Oh, it's pretty good. It's not like, yeah, it's really pretty. It's like if I'm alone, you know, I start watching it, I'm like, that was fun, but like, I'm ready to go and do something, you know, if that makes sense. So, I was ready to get home and start cleaning more and organizing. My room is clean now, but the living room is not clean, and the sink has a ton of dishes around it. I'm really bad at putting away dishes, so oh, it's so dark. I'm sorry. I mean, you know, what can you do, right? You guys should look in infrared, and then we could like have it be night and I could drive and you could see me. I've told you about my infrared photography. I've done more of that. I took it on a backpacking trip. Oh my gosh, it was really good. It was really good. I don't regret converting that camera. I kind of did for a while, but after a few of those infrared photo sessions, it was totally worth it. And after taking it backpacking, I got a really phenomenal few pictures. Like, most of them were just okay, but I got one of my friends sitting under a tree just looking out over the water, and it's beautiful. It's a really good picture, and she liked it. And then I got some other really good pictures that I was really proud of. So I was glad. Ooh, I changed the oil on my the house's snowblower today. I did stuff kind of like that over the summer at my work with the Great Lakes Research Center, deploying buoys, maintaining engines, and so I'm a little more comfortable now, but still stresses me out, you know? It's pretty simple as things go, but it still feels like a pretty intense thing. I might have spilled a little bit of oil, but not a lot. So, yeah, that's about what's up. day, calm episode, other than stopping for the deer and slowing down for those people that were crossing the road and everything. But overall, pretty calm, I'd say. And those were calm too. So, well, it's been good. To stick with the theme of bad lighting, you know, I think we'll have one more. Oh, that's weird. Someone that I don't talk to much just sent me an image. I wonder what it is. Good friend. Oh, the water's so clear. If you guys were in the passenger seat, I'd say look that way, but you're not in 3D, so I'm not gonna point and say look that way. Yeah. Anyways, it's been good. I'm rolling into Hancock, so I'm gonna stop it. But I will see you guys. Stay safe, drive safe. If you're traveling, travel safe. Watch out for snow. Yada yada yada. Watch out for deer. Don't text and drive. Take care of yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. See ya.